How do I stop snoring? Hi, I'm Sutapa Mukherjee. I'm an Associate Professor at Flinders University and a sleep physician. Ask me anything. When people ask me this, they usually want a quick fix. But unfortunately, it's not that straightforward because it might not just be snoring. It might be snoring plus sleep apnea, which does require a sleep study. So when people ask me how do they stop snoring, I really try to convince them that they should have a sleep study to actually find out if it's just primary snoring on its own or whether there is some sleep apnea. The good news is there's good treatments for both, but a sleep study is really important to try to work out what's going on.